A number is cube of 53 when 7 times of 57 is subtracted from the number, then the resultant number which is formed will divisible by 19, 11, 13, 12. Now we will find the correct answer. This is the SSC Matric Level 2020 question asked. এখানে বলেছে যে একটি নাম্বার সেটা হচ্ছে 53 কিউব ঘন আছে, তার থেকে যদি 57 গুণ বিয়োগ দেওয়া হয় তাহলে সেই নাম্বারটা 19, 11, 13, 12 কত দ্বারা বিভাজ্য হবে। As per question we can write the equation is 53 cube minus 7 into 57. Now we know we know a minus b whole cube. The formula is a cube minus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Everyone we know. So তাহলে আমরা এটাকে এই ফর্মে ভেঙে দেবো। Now we can write 53 as 55. Now we can write 53 in this form, 55 minus 2 whole cube, and 57 we can write 55 plus 2. From this we can use this formula, 55 whole cube minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into 55 square into 2 plus 3 into 55 into 2 square minus 7 into 55 minus 14. We multiplying this এর সাথে 7 এর সাথে 55 আর 55 এর সাথে 2 এর গুণ, 7 এর সাথে 2 এর গুণ হয়ে গেছে। 55 whole cube minus 8 plus 6 into 55 whole square plus 12 into 55 minus 7 into 55 minus 14. From here we can write 55 whole cube minus plus 6 into 55 whole square. From this 12 minus 7 means 5 into 55, and from here we can write minus 22. 14 and 8 plus, because every sign is same. From here we common the term 11. There is a common term 11 term is common, because we can কেউ যদি বুঝতে না পারো আমি এটাকে এইভাবে ভেঙে লিখছি। We can write 5 into 11 whole cube plus 6 into 5 into 11 whole square plus 5 into 5 into 11 minus 2 into 11. We get a common term 11 from every so we can write this 5 cube into 11 square plus 6 into 5 square into 11 plus 25 minus 2 bracket close. So this term will be divisible by 11. If you like us, don't forget to subscribe us. Please subscribe and continue our bell button, and obviously like and share. Don't forget to like, share, and always comment your query. We will answer you. If you have any question, you will question in the comment box or in our social platform according to Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp. We will answer. If you have any math problem or reasoning or polity or English, anything, you can ask us. Okay.